Hello all, it's Sharon. Just a quick little video today. We picked this up at our local little pet store. So this is a little grooming kit for rabbits or like guinea pigs, and it comes with 4 pieces. The brush in here is also perfect for our cat, for she's shedding a lot. The only reason I really got this set is I was looking for new nail clippers for our guinea pig, because it's very important to keep their nails clipped, and the ones from Dollar Tree don't seem to do a very good job, so I'm hoping that these little clippers in here will help with that. There's also this type of brush here, which I guess would be good if you had a long haired guinea pig or like a rabbit, as it says that it is for like massage. So I like it because of this brush here and the nail clippers, and it also comes with a fun little strawberry chew. This was $12 from our local pet store, which is Global Pet Foods. And I think, hopefully I'll give her the little strawberry chew toy, and then I can clip Oriole's nails and then give Pepper a really good brush nail. So thanks a lot for watching this quick little video, and I will talk to you in the next one.
Take care and bye for now.